Here's the next project. Getting ready to apply for the permit for this new construction job. Laying out my supplies and returns and all my CFMs. It's gonna be a 3-zone system. So my CFM and everything. And here's my permit package. This is load calc for the house, load calc for the garage. This is a condensing unit we're going with. It's gonna be a heat pump, ducted air handler for the house, 3 zones, wall unit for the garage, Utica combi for emergency heat, hybrid heat pump, hot water heater, and then they got this fancy range hood thing. And you know what I'm missing? Our dehumidifier and ERV. Here's the dehumidifier. ERV soon to come. Like I said, just applying